is it morning already? Today is the 31st of December, the last day of the year. I want to make every hour count. We were so nervous that day. We didn't know if we would like the snow, but now we love it. Time moves so fast. I must make sure we enjoy today together. No phones, no work, just family. Good morning, Elena. You are awake very early.
Good morning. I have so many ideas for today I couldn't sleep.
You are always full of ideas. What is the plan for our big New Year's Eve party?
First, coffee. Then we need a list. We need a turkey, fresh rosemary for the lamb, and those special sparkling juices Leo likes.
I will go to the market, but first, let's sit for a moment. It's the last morning of the year. Let's enjoy the quiet.
You're right. Tomorrow, everything starts fresh again.
Okay, how many people are coming tonight?
Our neighbors, the Millers, and our friends from the city. So about 10 people in total.
That is a big party. We need a lot of food. I should buy 2 bags of potatoes, not 1. And we need extra chairs.
Don't forget the resolution jar. It is in the attic. We need to find it and clean it.
Oh, the attic. It is full of old boxes. It will be an adventure to find anything up there.
Take Leo with you. He loves looking at old things.
Is it time? Is it 12 o'clock yet?
Whoa, slow down, lightning bolt. It is only 9:30 in the morning. We have a long way to go.
But, Dad, I want to see the fireworks. I want to eat the chocolate cake.
First, you eat your breakfast. Then you have a very important mission.
A mission? Am I a secret agent today?
Yes, you and Dad are the attic explorers. You need to find the gold and silver decorations.
Yes, let's go, Dad, to the attic.
Be careful, Leo. This place is full of old memories.
Look, Dad. This box says New Year 2020.
Wow, these are the decorations from our very first house. Look at this tinsel. It's still shiny.
It looks like a dragon's tail. Can we put this in the living room?
Yes, and look, here is the resolution jar. It's covered in dust, but it's still beautiful.
Why is this jar important, Dad?
Because inside this jar, we keep our promises. We write what we want to do better next year.
Okay, team. Let's make this house look like a star.
Look at these fairy lights, Leo. They are all tangled. It looks like a giant yellow spider web.
Don't worry, Dad. I am the master of untangling. Give them to me.
Ian, do you remember our first New Year's Eve together? We didn't have any decorations.
Yes, I remember. We just had 1 candle and a small cake. We were so happy.
We are still happy, but now we have a bigger family and a bigger mess to clean.
I did it. Look. It's magic, Dad. The house is awake now. Dad, look at that tree. It looks like a giant ice cream cone.
You are always thinking about food, Leo. But you are right. The snow makes everything look different.
Do you think the snow will stay until next year?
Well, next year is only 12 hours away, so yes, I think the snow will stay for a long time. Look at the neighbors' houses, Leo. Everyone has lights on their doors. It feels like the whole world is waiting for midnight. Okay, Leo, stay close to me. We need a lot of things.
Dad, look! Marshmallows! Can we get the ones shaped like little snowmen?
Okay, but only 1 bag. We need real food, too. We need the turkey. This one looks perfect. It's big enough for our friends, too.
And the sparkling cider. Don't forget the bubbles, Dad.
I have 3 bottles on the list. 1 for you, 1 for Mom, and 1 for our guests.
Why is everyone so busy today, Dad?
Because everyone wants to have a special dinner. Food is a way to show love, Leo. That's why we work so hard to make it perfect.
Hello there, Ion. Hello, young Leo. Getting ready for the big night.
Hello, Mr. Miller. Yes, we have a full cart. Are you coming over at 8 p.m.?
I wouldn't miss it for the world. My wife is making her famous apple pie to bring over.
Apple pie. That's my second favorite dessert.
What is your first favorite, Leo?
Chocolate cake, of course.
We'll have both tonight. See you later, Mr. Miller. Stay warm.
Welcome back, explorers. Did you find the legendary rosemary?
I found it, and I also found a very hungry boy who wants to eat all the marshmallows now.
No marshmallows yet. Leo, you are my assistant chef today. You need to help me wash the vegetables.
Yes, Chef Mom. I am ready for duty.
And what is my job, Elena? Or can I go and take a nap?
No naps. You are the master of peeling. We need these potatoes ready for the mash.
The king of the kitchen has become the peeler of potatoes. Such is life.
Now, Leo, look, this is the secret. You don't just throw the salt in, you sprinkle it like magic dust.
Like this? Is it magic now?
Perfect. Now the turkey will taste like a dream.
You know, my grandmother used to say that the secret ingredient isn't spices, it's the laughter you share while you cook.
Then our turkey is going to be the best in the world. Because we laugh a lot.
That's right, kiddo. Even when your mom makes me peel 100 potatoes.
It was only 10 potatoes, Ian. Don't be a drama king.
Dad, tell me again. Why do we write our dreams on paper? Why can't we just say them out loud?
Because when you write something down, it becomes a promise to yourself. When you look at that paper next year, you can see how much you've changed.